Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm having problems with this chainsaw, slack chain. So I opened this up. I noticed this thing wouldn't turn. This wouldn't turn. So I unscrew it, these two. And I notice this is the problem. This metal piece won't move, this one. So I take a picture of it. So I unscrew this and I find this, right? It doesn't move, this metal thing. So I go to the website, Wen, I look up Wen electric pole saw, go to the website, then I start looking for something that looks like this. I'm on page after page after page. Then I decide, well, let me take a picture of it. Let me take a picture of it on my cell phone. Google image the picture and see what I find. It says it's called a chain tensioner. I go back to the website. I'm on the website. I type in chain tensioner. It was almost good. When I typed in tensioner adjuster, I found it, and I've ordered it. It's a new piece. A new piece to come. So that's my little repair story. I'll update you when I get the new part.